Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we, of course, are seeing Microsoft work hard in making better a lot of the user interface, modernizing certain aspects. Of course, we talk about control panels where settings are slowly moving to the settings app at some point in time. Hopefully, control panel will be gone forever. And it is something that has to happen. A lot of people are like, oh, well, I like a control panel. I want to keep it. It's nonsense to keep it because you don't want to have 15 different ways of going to some settings. You need one. And the settings app, even though it still needs to be a little bit cleaned up, is a modern way of doing things. In the control panel, every aspect of it should be in there. But one particular aspect that I find is due to really, really get a modern interface is the device manager. I mean, this thing looks like Windows 95. This thing just isn't really that great right now, the way it looks. We're used to it because, if you have any hardware issues, if you've had anything you wanted to tweak or change, you know that the hardware is all in here, but it could be so much better if you modernized the device manager. Modern interface with all the tools that you need to tweak your devices. It is time to really upgrade this, for sure. I mean, there's just a lot of things in Windows, of course, that we have to look at. A lot of things need to be modernized. Still a lot are, still Windows 95-ish looking. But there are a few that maybe should be some priorities in there. And I think the device manager should be one of the priorities. Move it to the settings app or just create a device manager app that is modern with WinUI 3 and that works well and has all the capabilities, including the, of course, ability to follow the theme of your computer when you're in dark or light theme. Definitely, this is overdue. And I think Microsoft could work and could make this happen. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.